Good morning, children. Welcome to the English session. Today, we shall discuss about note making and summarizing. Now, what is note making? Note making is the practice of recording information captured from another source. By making notes, the writer records the essence of the information, freeing their mind from having to recall everything. Why note making is important? We can't memorize all that we read, so we need to summarize relevant information. Note making helps anyone who wants to make a large piece of information into a brief, organized, and summarized piece which can be conveniently referred to as and when required. Now, let's see the important points in preparing note making. It is a complex activity which combines several skills. Notes should be small and brief, that is, it has to stick to the word limit of 50 words. Write only the relevant and important information. The information should be written in a logical order. There must be a title to give the information about the content. The information should be written in points, and main part should be divided into subparts, which is further divided into points. Now let's analyze the format. While making notes, we have to follow certain standard practices. They are headings and subheadings, abbreviation and symbols, note form, and numbering and indentation. The heading reflects the main theme, whereas the subheadings point out how it has been developed. Abbreviations are used for precision and economy of words and hence quite helpful in note making. These are essential components of note making. While making notes, the whole information should be listed in the form of notes, that is, in points only. Notes should not be written in complete sentences as we can't remember the whole information. So only the main points are to be listed one under the other and numbered. It implies the logical division and subdivision of the listed information by using figures, letters, dashes, and spaces. All examples and figurative speeches are eliminated. Numbering and indentation. Indentation means leaving space at the beginning of a line of print or writing. First write the title and then write down the notes in a logical order. From the main headings to the subheadings, the numbering should be spaced a little to the right, as shown in the image. Certain points that you shouldn't forget, that is, never use diagrams in note making, avoid writing unnecessary facts, avoid using examples, never begin with a verb, don't repeat any information, don't use confusing abbreviations, don't abbreviate every word. Try to use one abbreviation in one point. Next is summarizing. Now, what is summarizing? Summarizing is condensing the main idea or ideas in a text using your own words. That is, you tell or restate the main ideas, make it simpler, make it shorter, and use your own words. Now, a good summary can be understood without reference to the original, is a faithful reproduction of or contains the ideas or information of the original. It is brief without unnecessary detail and is a readable, unified whole. Now, the important points that you need to keep in mind while preparing a summary is use your own words or cite properly. Do not plagiarize, that is, do not copy the exact text. Delete unnecessary information. Make sure your summary is accurate, that is, from your notes, you prepare your summary. Write only in a paragraph and stick to the word limit. Be sure your summary answers the following questions. What does the text say? How does it say it? And what does the text mean? So, thus, we have come to the end of the session. Thank you and have a nice day.